Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Profitable Peter Studio. Today I want to show you how you can actually be making money consistently trading binary options. See, I actually took this trade on a 5-minute expiry, and after the analysis and I took the trade, allowing the trade to run for 5 minutes. All right, so I want to show you how I did it. And now if you look at the chart, you see that the overall trend is on a downtrend, but however it's been consolidating. You see that it's reversed at this particular point and also reversed at this point, at this support. See these two supports, it reversed. So when it came back the third time at this point, I set my expiry to 5 minutes because I believe that it's going to reverse here and go to the upside. And so when it came back and this bullish engulfing candlestick was formed, I placed a trade, and now it's been running for some minutes. Now about 2 minutes is left. Now if we go to 1 minute chart, you see that, go to 5 minute chart once again, you see that the candlestick before this current candlestick is a doji, signifying weakness of the buyers at that point. And so after that, the buyers came in. The sellers were weak and then the buyers came in. Now we also go back to 1 minute, you see that the bullish engulfing candlestick is still there, showing that the buyers are strong at this point. So I believe I'm going to win this trade. All right, so like I said before, it's actually on a downtrend, but for now it's consolidating. All right, so this is the support area, and support areas, area buyers are waiting. You see that when it came to this support zone, it reversed and came down second time to the support zone. The buyers pushed the price up again, and it came the third time, and then I placed a trade, believing that it's going to go to the upside. After 5 minutes, the price is going to be above the price that I thought, that I placed a buy trade. All right, so I believe I'm going to win this trade. All right, so what I'm going to do now is maybe 1 minute more. I'm going to fast forward this, and then we're going to see the final result. Okay, before I fast forward it, I want to say that now if you want to get comprehensive training on how to trade the binary options, you can actually get in touch with me, and I'm going to show you how you can be trading binary options with your phone. You see, if you don't have a PC, you can actually use your phone to be trading binary options and making consistent profit. All right, so get in touch with me, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to train you how to trade the binary options with your phone, and you'll be making consistent profit. Also, if you want me to train you or to teach you how to trade Forex, also get in touch with me, and I'm going to show you how to trade the Forex market with your phone or PC, depending on the one that you have. All right, so I don't think I'm going to fast forward this because I just have some seconds left. All right, so with these few seconds that we have left, we're going to see the outcome of the trade. I believe that it's going to close above the price at which I bought, because you see that the zone is a very strong zone. The buyers are really strong at this zone, and so you see that it's going up. All right, it's consolidated a little bit around this area, and now it's going up. So I have a few seconds left. You see, now I have won this trade. All right, so I'm so excited I won this trade because you see that it's on a downtrend, and you see that it's kind of reversing at the support zone. All right, so that's how it is. So I'm going to take one more trade, and then I will call it a day. Okay, I've seen another opportunity here. I've seen head and shoulder. This is the head, this is the shoulder. See, I'm just taking a trade here because I can see a head, the shoulder, and this is a shoulder, this is a head, and another shoulder is formed here. So I quickly took the trade here. All right, so trading head and shoulder is very, very key. Most of the times it gives you a good profit if you know how to trade head and shoulder. So why did I place this trade? Now, of course, you see that it's on the downtrend, and then it's formed a head here, formed a shoulder here, and then a head here, and then another shoulder is being formed, meaning it's going to go down. So I place a sell trade flowing along with the trend. All right, so it's going to reverse here when it gets back to this position, to this zone where the sellers are actually waiting, this resistance area. All right, so it's going to reverse at that point. When I saw it, I took the opportunity to place a sell trade because I believe that it's going to reverse at this zone, this resistance zone. All right, so if you also want me to show you how to trade head and shoulder, all right, so also get in touch with me. I want to show you how to trade head and shoulder, trading forex and trading binary options, and you can be making consistent profit. All right, as always flow along with the trend. If it is going for a downtrend, you look for a sell trade. On an uptrend, look for a buy trade. But sometimes we actually trade against the trend. All right, so if you are not an experienced trader, it's not advisable you trade against the trend. All right, because it might go against you. So an experienced trader, you look at certain things, certain candlestick formation, certain candlestick behaviors, certain price actions and everything before going against the trend. So without any experience, it's advisable you trade against the trend. All right, so I see that I have about 1 minute left to the end of this trade. All right, maybe I'm going to fast forward this. Okay, all right, so let me fast forward this. Okay, so that or let me just leave it and let's see how it's going to end. And I believe that it's actually going to end well. Yeah, it's going to end well. All right, so let's take a look at the trade. See that it's going down, right? The sellers have put the price down, right, from the other shoulder, from the right shoulder. We can see the left shoulder, we can see the head, and also see the left shoulder. So it's going down, right? So the sellers are really strong at that point. Their strength at that point is more than the strength of the buyers, and that is why it's going down. All right, I have about 20-something seconds thereabout left. All right, so let's just be patient and we are going to see the outcome of this trade. All right, now if I end the trade now, I'm going to have a few profits, 9, 15, or I'm going to go at a loss 40 for less. I'm not sure, and I want to end the trade here. My loss or profit is not going to be much, but I think I'm going to win the trade, so I'm not going to end the trade. I'm going to wait for it to finish. All right, see, I have won this trade again. All right, so it's this is going to be the last trade I'm going to take for today. All right, so I want to advise you that when you're trading binary options or forex, if you want to make it consistent, free try as much as possible to trade along with the trend, right? Do not get against the trends. Only if you are an experienced trader. So if you are an experienced trader, then you can trade along trade against the trend. All right, so if you find this video helpful or you find value in this video, please kindly like, share and subscribe, so that subsequently as I upload more of this video on how to make money trading binary options and trading the forex, you're one of the first to get notified. I really appreciate you for watching till this time. Also, feel free to watch other videos of mine talking about how to make money online using several other platforms, AI and so on and so forth. Kindly watch them, and you will not be making money only trading forex market. You can be making money doing other things. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.